Welcome to Sundog Farm. My name is Carlos, and this is our May virtual tour.
Hi, I'm Helena. I'm Carmen.
I'm Angel.
And I'm Maya. You'll notice that we're not wearing masks, and that's because we all live and work here together, and we're not having other visitors out at the farm right now in order to stay safe and healthy to grow our community's food. We're isolating out here and wearing masks anytime we go into town.
It's May 7th and the garlic is knee high. Right now I'm raking the mulch out of the garlic field in order for Carmen to cultivate the weeds out. Well, we put the mulch in the garlic field in the fall time to cover the crop from snowfall. Mulch also brings weeds, as you can see, and now the field is in need of cultivation.
So, this is part of a new project we're doing. We're gonna try to create a perennial herb bed right next to our high tunnel here. Rosemary, thyme, sage, lavender. So we're actually going to burn holes in the landscaping fabric just for the herb plants. And then they'll be able to grow without very much weed pressure, giving them fewer obstacles with the weeds. I think will be good. And then we also put a just strip back here to like keep the grass down. Worth the shot.
Hello, welcome to the pea field. Peas are some of the earliest crops that we seed every year. We seeded them on the same day as radishes and spinach and carrots, and they are growing really good.
Okay, I'm weeding some of the thistles out of the high tunnel. This is the high tunnel hoe weeder, and it is designed to go on the top of the soil and actually kill the weeds, cut them in half, right at the soil line. In this high tunnel, we have bok choy, red and green lettuce, romaine. They usually stay in the bed for like 3 weeks. Then they are harvested, and I'll go along and pick up the root balls, rake it, fertilize the bed, and then we'll transplant new lettuce seedlings, but in a rotation. So that way the same weeds and the same bugs will be mixed up and confused when they come to prey on our crops.
Leeks are in the allium family along with onions and garlic, and so we plant them in the same field as the onions. They're just at like little threads, but they'll get big enough to make a really good soup or something. We wanted to give you the May livestock update. The grass has been growing, so we moved most of our animals outside to start rotational grazing. Our first group of ewes that all lambed in February, we weaned their babies off them and they're out in the pasture grazing, and then the lambs are also now grazing an electric fence. So the final group we have in here is our yearlings, and they had their lambs in April, so they're not quite ready to face the brave outdoors yet. So they're just spending a little more time in the barn, getting some final snuggles in before they head out to pasture too. It's kind of funny, being both a vegetable and livestock producer is pretty fun most of the time, but in May we're just super busy. And we do take food safety really seriously on our farm. We keep our livestock business very far away from our vegetable business. We change our clothes, we change our shoes, we wash our hands, and we make sure that we're grazing our animals far away from our vegetable fields so that food is safe.
Thanks so much for coming on our tour with us. We enjoyed showing you around the farm and what we have going on. Stay tuned for more updates.